Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking cards for your daily energies, for your career situation and love energies. But let's start with your career situation first. So I'll be picking 3 cards for your career situation from this deck, guys. So these are the cards for your career situation, Aquarius, and 3 cards for your love reading from another deck, guys. So we will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. And for your these are for your love reading, guys, these cards. We will open these cards as we proceed. So let's start with your daily reading first. Let us see what are these cards. It's 8 of Wands in reverse, it's 9 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands. Aquarius, in your career situation today, guys, you have a strong network of people working with you, people helping you and assisting you, and all your business plans may unfold in a very beautiful way, and you have that knowledge and understanding what you need to do to reach those profits or good returns in your career situation, guys. So with these cards also I see that you have many responsibilities you are shouldering today, and you are doing it gracefully. You know what you need to do, and you are a very knowledgeable person. You have responsibility, and maybe the way you deal in your situation, you do things in a particular way based on your ideals maybe, and that may be the reason that you may be too burdened with responsibilities and you are doing it the hard way. But you have people helping you in your situation today, Aquarius. Your colleagues or your employees, you have a team who is helping you today. That is also what I see here with this card, guys. And there are people who have done some mistakes, maybe your employees, and they are really guilty for those mistakes. They really feel sad because they have done it. Maybe it may be out of that lack of knowledge, or for some it would have been because of jealousy, but they are really resenting this mistake they have done. That is affecting you today, guys. But Aquarius, overall I see here that you have that happiness and contentment today, and the things that are going wrong today in your career, it may you may find an understanding, and these situations may solve out quickly, guys. That is also what I see here, guys. So that is what I see here for your career situation. Things are moving in a particular way. You may see some obstacles coming, maybe some mistakes of some people, but overall I see here that you have a good team working with you, and you will be tasting success today. That is what I see with these cards for your career situation. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship, guys. Sun, Moon and Strength. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. So with these cards again, we see here that you both share a very good understanding with each other. You have that love, compatibility and harmony in this connection, and this person appreciates the way you are for them, the way you are honest, trustworthy and reliable, and they appreciate you for your courage and strength that you show in each and every situation, and whatever obstacles that you're facing in life, in your career or in your personal life, you try to overcome it gracefully, and that is what they love about you, the way you handle your situation, guys. And they rely on you, and you are experiencing that domestic harmony today, Aquarius. Things are going well in your life. You have that happiness and a compatibility in this relationship, and you both share that understanding and respect, caring for each other. That is also what I see with these cards. And maybe you are dreaming about this future with this person, or they are dreaming about this future with you. And maybe dreams, if you have that dreams, if you think of those dreams as a positive intention, it may materialize at the right time, guys. So that is also what I see with this card for your love energy, Aquarius. Whatever you are dreaming may come into reality, but you have to have that trust and faith on that. And everything, whatever you are planning for yourself in this relationship, it's simply going to flourish, and you are greatly deeply grateful for this connection, guys, with this person. You have that confidence, courage. You feel inspired when you are with this person, and you feel love, and you feel everything is possible, and everything you need to do is possible, and everything that you dream for yourself and this person is possible with this connection. So that is what I see with these cards for your love energy, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.